Hello, 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 hello.
Because we are about to start.
I request all graduating students to find a seat.
Come, come. 1 second. आशीष एक बार आगे आगे सब फोटो आ गया
You need your blessing. Okay. Namaste, Mr. Sehgal. Please come. Please, please.
Good afternoon and welcome to the graduation ceremony of Batch 2021 Kiki Center for Technology Manesar. Every sunrise brings new day, new hope and a new chapter waiting to unfold. Our guests have arrived, so I would request our principal sir, Mr. Srijit K.
Distinguished guests, faculty, parents, beloved invitees, and most importantly, the graduating students. Good evening to all of you and welcome to this program. Today is the 10th consecutive graduating celebration of Kiki, which is held in the Kiki Center for Technology. In the year 2019, I think 19 and 20 we had not celebrated it because of COVID, but all other years we have celebrated the graduation day ceremony. And this graduation day is a monument day for you people, a day to celebrate, a day to acknowledge, and your anticipatory day for the future. Hope that it will make you very colorful day today. I feel very proud and honored to be stand in front of you as your principal to talk something about you. And this is for your graduating students. I remember the day one when you joined here in the 2021. And now we have grown so much physically, mentally and skill-wise. This is all depends upon your hard work, patience and your commitment toward the training. And you have to keep it the same tempo or more than that when you are passing out from here. And we have given you only the foundation from our institute. Now you are out. You are not being protected anymore. Okay? There is no Shimin sir or Ulsab sir to do your job. Okay? You are open. The condition inside the institute and inside the company is entirely different. There you have to do everything yourself. You have to behave very neatly and politely to your supervisors. You have to be very commitment towards the work, sincere towards the work and time bound. Whatever the work is given, assigned to you, you should complete it on time and report. And you have to achieve your goal slowly and patiently by working hard, working sincerely I can guarantee you that within 5 or 6 years, you will become maybe a manager level. That much skill we have put inside you. If you are really utilizing the right direction, you will reach to a manager level in 5 years, I can guarantee you. And I have seen you all the last 4 years, your growth, your hard work, long hours of working in the examination time, even 10 o'clock we have worked in the pre-machining time, just like the industry, not like other colleges, you worked on ships. You cannot see this type of working atmosphere in any engineering college or ITA or even any polytechnic. We have been giving you an industrial training which is very similar to the work whatever it is offered in the industry. So I am very proud that you learned a lot of things from here, and when you are going outside, definitely you can utilize it. And my humble request to you is sharpen your skill always, sharpen and grow further. And I am very happy to say that this year we have very few students for graduation. But we started our placement activity in the month of January. Very happy to tell you that all the students are got offered to Dubai. That is a multinational company in Dubai. Okay. So from that, 1 or 2 boys not accepted it because of their personal reasons. But remaining all people are going to abroad if their passport is ready. Some of the people are still finding difficulty in getting the passports. Otherwise, everybody is going. And one more happy news, the visa for Aditya has come. The first visa has arrived today. So he will be flying on 2nd of April. And he is going and working in an oil and gas company. They make a lot of equipments for drilling equipments for Aramco and some other oil and gas companies in Dubai and US. And it will be a very good opening for you. If you work hard, within 3 years you can grow like anything. And other Indian placement, when I am talking to that, we got placement in very good company in Bhiwadi known as Baxi Auto. It's also a MNC company. So some of the students are getting the offer in the Baxi company. And one boy has got another multinational company, it is Subros. He is accepted the job offer from Subros and he will be joining in Subros. So this year we are very happy to see that all are flying to Dubai, and 2 other companies are also there. One is Motherson, it is in Sharjah and Abu Dhabi. Then there is one more company that is also in Dubai. So totally we have 3 companies in abroad and 2 companies here in India. So everybody is placed. I am very happy. So I am very happy to see Mr. Kapil Seghal among us, accepting our invitation and come as a chief guest of the function. So I would like to welcome Mr. Kapil Seghal, Managing Director of Booker Hydraulics. We have been having a very good relationship from 2016 onwards. Please receive him. Give a big clap. Next, I would like to invite or welcome Mr. Sujoy Singhi, the Operation Manager, Kiki Center for Technology. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. Good evening, everyone, faculty, family, friends, and my fellow graduates. I stand before you today honored and humbled to speak on behalf of this remarkable group of individuals. As we gather here to celebrate the peak of our academic journey, I am reminded of how far we have come. And I am deeply grateful for the opportunities and challenges that have shaped us. Remember the first day we stepped onto this campus. Some of us were excited, some nervous, but we all faced the unknown together. Along the way, we have tackled assignments, made lasting friendships, and grown as individuals. Through it all, we learned that success is not defined by the grades we earn, but by the lessons we take with us. There were moments when we doubt ourselves, late night studying, difficult projects, and times when it seems like the end was far off. Yet there we are, standing at the finish line, stronger and more resilient than we ever imagined. We owe much of our success to those who have supported us along the way, to our professors, mentors, and advisors who guided us with patience and wisdom. Thank you for investing in our futures. To our families and friends who believed in us even when we struggled to believe in ourselves, we are forever grateful. Thank you.
Thanks, Anmol. Now I would like to call Manjeet Yadav to please come on the stage and share his experience. Manjeet.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, and I want to express my heartfelt thanks to each and everyone for you. Whether we have worked together on a project, share our laugh, or supported each other during difficult times, I will always treasure the bonds we have formed. It is not just the work we have done, but the friendship we have built that it will be everywhere with us. I am incredibly grateful for the opportunities I had to learn, grow, and develop in a such positive environment. The experiences here have shaped me in many ways that will continue to influence my future, and for that I am truly thankful. But beyond all the professional growth, I will cherish the moment of friendship and kindness that have made this place so special. Thank you again for the bottom of my heart for everything. I thank you so much.
Fate, but college will still be in my heart as you never went away. It's time for a memorable video, The Year Gone By. Please play the video.
Love the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
Thank you, Deepak sir, for the courtesy, video courtesy, and thank you, Utsav sir, for playing it. Now we'll be moving forward to the Guild Card Awards. I'll request Sujoy sir to please come on the stage for the Guild Card Awards, please.
To the graduating class of 2025, well done. I think from the start to finish, I hope you guys take something or learn something over here, for that matter. And again, I hope you guys do very well in your future careers, and please stay in touch with us as well. All right? Congratulations.
Thank you, Sujoy sir. We'll be moving forward, and I'll be calling our chief guest, Mr. Kapil Sehgal sir, to please come on stage. He's the managing director of Booker Hydraulics. India Skills 2024 winner, Medallion of Excellence, Manufacturing Team Challenge. Manjeet, please come. Congratulations. Krishna Nandagiri. Krishna Nandagiri, India Skills 2024 winner, Medallion of Excellence, Manufacturing Team. Congratulations. We are proud to say that we are having 2 students from the passed out batch, that is 2020. One is Brijesh Goyal, Skills CII Gold Medalist in Plastic Dye Engineering. Brijesh, please come forward. He's working with L&T. Next from 2020 passed out batch, Gokul Singh Rathore, Skills India CII Silver in Fitter Trade. Gokul. Congratulations. Moving on to regional awards, winner of 9 regional awards, I'm going to announce Manjeet for Skills CII Gold in Plastic Dye Engineering. Manjeet. Yeah, he's the academic topper. Aditya Singh, Skills CII Gold Mechatronics. Aditya. Please clap for them. Gold medalist Mechatronics. Krishna Nandagiri, Skills CII Gold Fitter Trade. Krishna Nandagiri. Congratulations, Krishna. Next is Shivendra Mishra, Skills CII, Gold Medalist in Welding. Gold Medalist in Welding. Rajneesh Srivastava, Skills CII Competition, Gold Medalist in Milling Machinist. Nikhil Tiwari is next. Nikhil Tiwari, Skills CII Competition, Gold Medalist in Turning Machinist. Nikhil. Next is Jatin Yadav, Skills CII, Silver Medalist in Milling Machinist. Jatin. Congratulations. Sumesh Kumar Manji, Skill CII, Silver Medal in Electrical. Sumesh. Moving on to state awards, winner of 3 state awards, Manjeet again, gold medalist, Haryana State Manufacturing Team Challenge. Manjeet. Krishnanandagiri, silver, Haryana State Manufacturing Team Challenge. Things and
the strength inside us, brave and bold. Through all the trials, we've reached the goal. Our dreams are the treasures we proudly hold. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. The lessons we've learned, the bonds we've made, the love and guidance that never fade. With every challenge we're unafraid, for in our hearts the foundations laid. A moment to shine, the future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way, we've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight. Burning bright. This is our time, a moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way, we've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight, with hearts on fire, burning bright. This is the time, the beginning we see. The path ahead comes for you and me. With every dream we will always agree. Our journey unfolds as we sing proudly home. A moment to shine, the future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. The lessons we've learned, the bonds we made, the love and guidance that never fade. With every challenge we're unafraid, for in our hearts the foundations laid. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together ready to take new flight with hearts on fire, burning bright. This is our time, our moment to shine. The future is bright, the world is divine. Together we stand in this grand design. The dreams we hold will always align. Through every storm, through every fight, we found our way, we've seen the light. Now we are ready to take new flight with hearts on fire, burning bright. This is the time, the beginning we see. The path ahead calls for you and me. With every
We are moving on to tool and die making, manufacturing and designing, certified by HWK Koblenz, Germany. We are going to start with Ashish, batch 2021, for successfully completing the HWK German certificate examination. In Indian certificate, CGSE level 5 tool and die maker certificate, subject excellence award for press tool technology. He did his internship at Boston Scientific and completed it successfully. He got his final placement, but he has opted to be an entrepreneur. Congratulations, Ashish, for all your future endeavors. We are moving next to Arihant Kumar. Arihant, please come. Arihant has successfully completed the HWK German certificate examination. He has also passed the CGSE level 5 tool and die maker certificate examination. He did his internship at Arya Lakshmi Precision, and for final placement he is selected by Samvarta Motherson, Dubai. Congratulations, Arihant. Next is Jitin Shukla. Jitin Shukla has successfully completed the HWK German certificate examination. In Indian certificate, he has successfully completed the CGSE level 5 tool and die maker certificate examination. Subject excellence award goes for hydraulics. He did his internship at NIFCO, a Japanese automotive company, and got his final placement, that is international placement, in Samvardhan, Motherson, Dubai. Congratulations. Next is Fazil Ahmed. Fazil, please come forward. Fazil has also successfully completed the HWK German certificate examination. Indian certificate, CGSE level 5 tool and die maker certificate. Internship he did at Arya Lakshmi Precision, and he got his final placement at two places. One is Baxi, that is Bhiwadi, and Samvardhan Motherson, Dubai. He has opted for Baxi, Bhiwadi. Congratulations. Next is Shivendra Mishra, who has also successfully completed HWK German certificate examination. He has also completed the Indian certificate examination, that is CGSE level 5 tool and die making. Regional award winner for gold CII welding. He did it internship at Subros Automotive, Noida, and got his final placement in Samvard Motherson, Dubai. Moving on to the next person, Krishna Nandagiri. Krishna Nandagiri has successfully completed the German examination, HWK. Besides that, he is a bronze medal winner. He has also completed the Indian certificate examination, CGSE level 5 tool and die making. National award winner for Medallion of Excellence, Manufacturing Team Challenge. Regional award winner gold for CII Fitter Trade. And state award winner for silver, Manufacturing Team Challenge, Haryana. He did his internship at Boston Scientific, Medical Devices and Healthcare Solutions, and his final placement he got in Accurate Edge, Dubai, that is oil and gas company. Congratulations. Surya Prakash Singh is next. Surya Prakash Singh has successfully completed the HWK German certificate examination, and he is the silver medal winner in Indian certificate, CGSE level 5 tool and die making certificate. Internship he did at IFB Automotive Binola. He got his final placement, that is international placement, at Accurate Edge, Dubai oil and gas industry. Moving on next, Manjeet. Manjeet has successfully completed the HWK German certificate examination. He is the gold medal winner in Indian certificate, CGSE level 5 tool and die making. Subject excellence award for press tool technology, hydraulics, National Award winner for Medallion of Excellence, Manufacturing Team Challenge, Regional Award winner for Gold CII Plastic Dry Engineering, State Award winner for Gold Manufacturing Team Challenge Haryana. He did his internship at IFB Automotive and he got his final placement both in Baxi Bhiwadi as well as in Accurate Edge Dubai. He has opted for Accurate Edge Dubai. Congratulations Manjeet. Next is Mechatronics Division, that is Industrial Automation and Robotics, certified by HWK Googles Germany. First is Anmol Ratan Bhardwaj. Please come. He has successfully completed the German certificate examination. He has also successfully completed the Indian certificate ASDC Level 6 Mechatronics Specialist Certified. He is the topper of ASDC examination, automation. Internship G+D, that is Giesecke and Devrient, a German digital security and currency technology company. He got his final placement in Subros Automotive. Congratulations Anmol. Moving on to the next, Priya Kuntia, the only lady in the team. Priya has successfully completed. Cheer for her. That's the only girl we have. HWK German certificate examination. She is a bronze medal winner. An Indian certificate ASDC level 6 mechatronics specialist. Internship she did at Spinks India, that is a manufacturer of industrial ink. And she got a final placement in Dubai, that is Accurate Edge. Congratulations. Next is Abhishek. Abhishek, please come forward. Abhishek has successfully completed the HWK German certificate examination. He is a silver medal winner. In Indian certificate, he has cleared the ASDC Level 6 Mechatronics Specialist Certified Examination. Internship, he successfully completed at NIFCO, that is a Japanese automotive company. Final placement he got in Baxi Bhiwadi as well as High Precision Manufacturing Dubai. So he has opted for international placement High Precision. Congratulations, Abhishek. Next is Aditya Singh. Aditya, please come forward. Aditya Singh has successfully completed the HWK German certificate examination. He is a gold medal winner. Indian certificate ASDC level 6 mechatronics specialist certified. Subject excellence in C programming hydraulics. Regional award winner for gold CII mechatronics. He did his internship at ENS Engineering and he has got the final placement in Madarsan Samvard Madarsan Dubai. Now, award for the most improved student. Winner is, any guess? Most improved. Improved. That is Anmol Ratan Bhardwaj. Please come. Improved by 40% from 14% from intermediate to final assessment. Congratulations, Anmol. Now, award for best all-round student. Any guess? No. Winner is, sir is correct. Sir has guessed it correctly. It is Krishna Nandagiri. Academic excellence, bronze medal winner in tool and die. Skill competition, national, regional and state awards. Extracurricular activity, he was the captain of adhesion team. And he has successfully completed internship at Boston Scientific. And he also participated in the musical show. Congratulations, Krishna Nandagiri. Now, last but not the least, this is service awards. So these are for the mentors and the people who really make this place. So first I would call upon Mahipal Singh Rawat, Department Accounts. He has completed. Yes, I think Patanjali ma'am should be on the stage for this.
She knows everybody.
Yeah.
They have been doing all the time.
First is Mahipal Singh Rawat. Clap for him. He's the accounts department. You know him, right? When he calls you. This is for 5 years of service to Anjali Foundation in the accounts department. Mahipal Singh Rawat has given a very important contribution in the growth of the institution. Thank you, sir. Next is Saroj Kumar Das. He is our ex-student and presently working with us as an employee. Department Production and Service. He has completed 5 years at Anjali Foundation. Saroj, please come forward. Congratulations to Saroj. Next is Mr. Sujoy Kumar Singhi, Department Operations Head. He has completed 10 years of dedicated service to the institution. Sujoy sir, please come on the stage. Clap for sir. Next is, last but not the least, Subhe Singh sir. Subhe Singh sir, Department Maintenance, 10 years of service, 10 साल का महत्वपूर्ण योगदान रहा इनका इस संस्था में. मेंटेनेंस में सर हमारे साथ हैं पिछले 10 साल से. Clap for Subhe Singh sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. I will request Kapil sir to say a few words of encouragement to our students, please. Kapil sir.
Jessica ma'am and Gitanjali ma'am, आपने मुझे invite किया इस चीज़ के लिए. I was not expecting actually what to say, but last half an hour, 45 minutes, I think now I know what I have to say. I think if I calculate today 32 years when I graduated. So I graduated 1993 from Pune University, and okay, I could not attend my passing out ceremony in the college because of whatever reasons. But just to share with you, today in our hostel we were around like 200 students, and we were all from different parts of country. Well, some were from Himachal, from Jammu to south in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Whatever technology has done, they have brought us together. आज भी हम लोग साथ हैं. On our Facebook group, on our WhatsApp group, we are 250 together. There is also another group जिसमें हम लोग हमारे juniors भी साथ हैं. So मेरे बैच के, मेरे से एक जूनियर बैच के जिनकी उस टाइम रैगिंग अलाउड थी, तो जिसकी हमने रैगिंग करी थी, और मेरे सीनियर्स भी जिन्होंने हमारी रैगिंग करी थी. So we are still all together. कितने साल हो गए? More than 30 years we are still together. Some of my friends are in army. He is brigadier, sits in Delhi Kent now. He was advisor to missile technology regime. We all come from very humble background, और बहुत मुश्किल से अपनी इंजीनियरिंग पास करी थी सबने. And one of our friend is he was advisor to Modi ji in the Niti Aayog. He is a colonel. Right now he is back at 508 Army Base Workshop in Prayagraj. Some of my colleague school college students are in US or some different parts of the world. So just to share with you कि आप लोगों ने जो 4 साल यहाँ बिताए, hopefully 4 years, those 4 years will be cherished forever. आप उनको कभी भूल नहीं सकोगे, क्योंकि वो दिन जो आपने साथ में बिताए हैं उनको आपकी मेमोरी आपको छोड़ नहीं पाएगी. मेरे बच्चे मुझे कहते हैं कि जब भी मैं कुछ बोलने लगता हूँ पापा की कहानियाँ शुरू हो गई. बट they have, my elder son is done mechatronics engineering, so he is also gold medalist from Thapar Institute, Patiala, like the young boy there. And he got selected in Tata Motors. He worked for 2 years. Sir ने बोला 5 साल लगेंगे मैनेजर बनने में. In 1 year he was promoted from a GET to senior project engineer, manager, senior project manager, just in 1 year. जब उसने पास आउट किया, उसकी जॉब लगी, तो मैंने बोला बेटा वहाँ पे अगर सर ने बोला कि जो काम दिया जाए टाइम में करना. I told him, if you have been given 4 hours, finish it in 3. If you can do it in 2, finish in 2. Don't wait कि मेरे को तो 4 घंटे मिले, मैं 4 घंटे बाद जाके काम खत्म करके बता दूंगा. So he said, जितने पैसे मिल रहे हैं मैं उतना ही काम करूंगा. मैंने कहा तू एटलीस्ट मेरा खून है, ऐसा नहीं करेगा वहाँ जा करके, पर लेट अस सी. तो कहते नहीं, आजकल की जनरेशन अलग है, मे बी आप लोग ऐसे नहीं हो. आई वुड होप आप लोग ऐसे नहीं हो. ही ऑल्सो वॉज नॉट लाइक दैट. एंड वहाँ पे जाकर के उसको 2 गाड़ियाँ मिली, टाटा टियागो एंड टाटा टिगोर EV. और उनके प्रोटोटाइप्स देने थे। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने सब्सिडी हटानी थी, तो कॉस्ट रिडक्शन का चैलेंज था और उनके पास शॉर्ट टर्म टारगेट था कि उतने 2 महीने के अंदर प्रोटोटाइप ARAI से टेस्ट कराने। सो ही वॉज वर्किंग इन सानन फुल नाइट, 12 घंटे, 18 घंटे, 24 घंटे स्टैंडिंग ऑन द लाइन टू गेट हिज कार्स मेड, एंड दैट effort of his was recognized and he got promoted to senior project manager just in 1 year with 40% increase in salary. Normally Tata Motors में आप इतनी जल्दी इतना ज़्यादा promotion नहीं मिलता है, इतनी ज़्यादा increment नहीं मिलती है। तो I am giving his example just कि आप अपने आप को ये सोच के मत जाना कि वहाँ पे क्या माहौल है, उस माहौल में मैंने कैसे ढलना है। No, you try to give your best. When you give your best, sooner or later somebody or the other in management or upper, they will find out कि ये बंदा extremely talented है और इसकी जगह कहीं और है। हमारी कंपनी में भी, बुकर हाइड्रोलिक्स में भी, I know every GET, every intern, I know who is doing what because I keep walking on the shop floor. So मुझे पता है कौन कंपनी में रहने के लिए आता है, मीन सुबह आए शाम को गए, कौन वहाँ पे काम करने के लिए आता है, कुछ सीखने के लिए आता है, कुछ अपना आउटपुट देने के लिए आता है। यू शुड ऑलवेज थिंक, एक हफ्ता काम कर लिया, मैंने क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट करी डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज में, क्या मैंने आउटपुट दी, मेरा क्या इनपुट है कंपनी के अंदर। Once you start to think that, automatically you will be recognized and you will get praises and you will get increments and promotion and whatever. So अपने आप को एक जैकेट में नहीं, जो आपके साथ दोस्त हैं, कलीग्स हैं, वो कहेंगे जितना काम करना है उतना ही करो, ज़्यादा करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई नहीं पूछता। नो, डोंट लुक एट दिस, डू व्हाट यू वांट, डू व्हाट यू थिंक राइट, एंड ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल बी इन सक्सीडिंग इन योर लाइफ। सो दिस इज वन स्मॉल चैट फ्रॉम मी, जो मैंने अपने बच्चों को देखा है, हमारी कंपनी में मैंने अपने बच्चों को देखा है, जिन्होंने मेहनत करी है वो आगे सक्सेसफुल हुए। एंड आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू, जैसे आप लोगों के अवार्ड्स हैं और स्किल कंपटीशन है, सब कुछ है, तो आई थिंक दे आर हार्ड वर्किंग स्टूडेंट्स एंड दे विल डेफिनेटली बी डूइंग मच बेटर इन द लाइफ। सो ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर सक्सेस, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर करियर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Anmol's mother, Aryan's parents. Aditya's father, Mr. Singh, would you like to say a few words? Please come.
आप सभी को नमस्ते। मेरा मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहता हूँ कि अन्य कॉलेज इंजीनियर बनाते हैं, लेकिन कीकी सेंटर फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी इंजीनियर के साथ साथ बच्चों का फ्यूचर भी बनाती है, जिसका एग्जाम्पल मैं व्यक्तिगत अपने तौर पे अपने बेटे के रूप में देख रहा हूँ। उन्होंने उसकी फ्यूचर बना दिया, अब आगे की जर्नी उसकी है, लेकिन यहाँ की जो फैकल्टी है, मैनेजमेंट है, और प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज बहुत ज़रूरी है। जैसा कि मोदी जी कहते हैं कि हमारे देश में 80% युवा बेरोजगार क्यों है, क्योंकि उनके पास स्किल नहीं है। उनके पास डिग्री है बट स्किल नहीं है। तो कीकी सेंटर फॉर टेक्नोलॉजी डिग्री के साथ साथ स्किल देती है, जिसमें सबसे अहम पार्ट प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज, जो कि इनके पास सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है। तो यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि थैंक्स फॉर लॉट कीकी पावर सेंटर टेक्नोलॉजी, आपने बच्चों का भविष्य बना दिया। थैंक यू
for the support. I'm thankful to principal sir and staff. Special thanks to the parents who have taken out time to come here. I would like to thank HR, admin, the marketing team, the housekeeping department, the security guards, and all the students without whose contribution this program wasn't a success. Once again, thank you so much.
सिंगल लेडी।
Where is your Chakku?
बापू भाई तालियां बजाओ यार। बोल बोले तेरा
And happy placements. Congratulations. Congratulations.
रमेश सर आओ ना, डांस करते हैं। कहाँ मिलोगे आप भी कहीं है। सर फोटो लेना
गुजरते नहीं रातें कटती नहीं, खाली तस्वीर से बात बनती रही। ओ आजा डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया हूँ मैं चाहत में तेरी। जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे, तुम आ गए ख्वाबों में ऐसे। कोई जाने ना पहचाने ना ये हुआ कैसे, तुम आ गए ख्वाबों में ऐसे। बेवफा बेवफा जाने वफा तू ना जा, ले ला ला ले ला 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 ले ला 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 ओ ला ला ले। डूबा डूबा रहता आँखों में तेरी, दीवाना बन गया मैं चाहत में तेरी।